300 orders, sales orders in Sage 300. You have to log into Sage using your name and password. Once you log into Sage 300, you would have a welcome screen which has a different widgets and information that you would like to see from the ERP on a daily basis. These widgets can be customized to suit individual roles. Now, this video is about entering the sales orders into the system. Sage 300 has a number of modules for different functions, out of which we need to choose the order entry module to enter orders into Sage 300. Choose the order entry screen. Once you choose order entry screen, system would give you a choice of entering the order for a specific customer. You could search for existing customers. You have a easy search option of Sage, which will allow you to search by customer number, name, status, and different parameters. Once you decide the customer, once you enter the customer into the system, into the sales order, Sage will automatically populate all relevant information about the customer on the system. These defaults are populated from Sage customer groups. For example, you could see the type of based customer which already been assigned. You would see the price list. You can have specific price list for each customer. So the default price list would appear automatically. But in case you want to choose a different price list, you could do that by choosing all the options. You could see a different price list and you could choose the one you would like to select. Sage also assigns the tax group as per the customer default settings. So this can also have different term codes. So the default would be given, but you can always change these term codes. So the taxes would be automatically assigned, and there are certain optional fields, additional fields that you could also have, which you could record against the specific customer. Details about the salesperson split could be recorded. System is multi-currency compliant, so you could have different types of sales orders entered with different currencies as per the customer. You have an average exchange rate automatically set in the system, but you could actually change it for individual transactions if you wish to do so. On the main order entry screen, you have a number of parameters out of which you could choose the type of order you want to enter. Let's say you wanted to create a quotation. You could start by choosing the order type as a quotation. It would offer a quotation expiry date which you could enter. Let us say till the end of this month. You could put in a description for the order or the quote which you are making, such as quote 1 February 15. You could have a reference for this quote. Then you could add different line items for the quote. If you are entering items from the inventory, the system will give you a choice of all the items available for you to sell. You could choose and search for certain items by category, by status, by description. Once you select the item, it will also give you the default price list for the item, the location in which the item is stored. At this point in time, you can also check the quantities available in each item location. So you can decide where you want to sell from and which has got the quantities that you would like to sell it. And then you need to enter the quantities ordered or quoted for. Check the totals. As you said, the taxes will be automatically calculated. And then now press allows you to print out the quote or email it to your customer. The quote is now ready to be sent out to your customer. So that's how you create a quote in Sage 300. Thank you for watching.